Sensibility and practicality define the 2004 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, front fog lights, and air conditioning. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.